Hi students. So we have discussed about principal value branches of different inverse trigonometric functions. Now we have to solve some problems based on principal value branch. Suppose I find my first problem in that exercise is sine inverse 1 by root 2. So take sin x is equal to sine inverse 1 by root 2. So if x is equal to sine inverse 1 by root 2, what is sin x 1 by root 2? Sin x 1 by root 2 means 1 by root 2 is sin which angle? 45 degree. So sin x is equal to sin pi by 4, x is equal to pi by 4. Similarly, cot inverse minus 1 by root 3. So x is equal to cot inverse minus 1 by root 3. So cot x is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Cot x minus 1 by root 3 means 1 by root 3 is what? 1 by root 3 is cot pi by 3. So minus cot pi by 3. Minus cot pi by 3. Cot is negative in second quadrant. So cot pi minus pi by 3. Cot pi minus pi by 3 is cot 2 pi by 3. So x is equal to 2 pi by 3. Similarly, sin inverse minus 1 by 2. So x is equal to sin inverse minus 1 by 2. So sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Sin x minus 1 by 2 means minus sin pi by 6. So minus sin minus x is minus sin x. So sin x is equal to sin minus pi by 6. So x is equal to what? Minus pi by 6. In the same way, cos inverse minus 1 by 2. So take x is equal to cos inverse minus 1 by 2. So cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is minus cos pi by 3. Minus cos pi by 3, you can write it as cos pi minus pi by 3. Because cos is negative in second quadrant. So cos x is equal to 2 pi by 3. X is equal to 2 pi by 3. So always remember, sin minus x is equal to minus sin x, cos minus x is equal to cos x. This property we are using in these problems. So like that, I have given some 6 or 7 problems I have given. So in the same way you have to do it. If you cannot understand, you can ask me. And the next one is some important formulas. I have given numbered formulas. Sin inverse 1 by x, cosec inverse x, cos inverse 1 by x, sec inverse x, tan inverse 1 by x, cot inverse. Cofunction of sin is cos x, cofunction of cot is tan, like that. All cofunction you know. So sin inverse 1 by x is cosec inverse x, cosec inverse 1 by x is sin inverse x, cos inverse 1 by x is sec inverse x, sec inverse 1 by x is cos inverse x, like that. Similarly, sin inverse minus x, minus sin inverse x, tan inverse minus x, minus tan inverse x, cosec inverse minus x, minus cosec inverse x. Proof is there in the textbook. If you have any doubt, you can ask me about that. Similarly, that 3 are different, the other 3 are also different. Cos inverse minus x, pi minus cos inverse x, sec inverse minus x, pi minus sec inverse x, cot inverse minus x, pi minus cot inverse x. And the important property, another is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. Sin and cos are cofunctions, pi by 2. Similarly, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, pi by 2. Cosec inverse x plus sec inverse x, that is also pi by 2. And another tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. One proof is given there. Other proof you can do it in the same way. And next step, sin inverse sin x or sin of sin inverse x, its value is x. Similarly, cos inverse cos x or cos of cos inverse x. Tan inverse tan x is equal to tan inverse tan x is equal to tan of tan inverse x is equal to x. Like that, you can apply all trigonometric ratios. And the main formula, 2 tan inverse x, sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x squared, and 2 tan inverse x, cos inverse 1 minus x squared by 1 plus x squared, 2 tan inverse x, tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x squared. So I have given one proof. First essay, 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x squared. Take its right hand side, RHS. RHS is sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x squared. In that, you substitute x is equal to tan theta. If you substitute x is equal to tan theta, then it is sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is sin inverse sin 2 theta. Sin inverse sin 2 theta is 2 theta, but you know theta is 2 tan inverse x. Similarly, you apply the formula cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta for the second formula, and tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta in the third formula. Then you will get the result. So these are the important results for inverse trigonometric function. After that only we can do the problems. So study all these formulas and proof. Proof is not important. Proof is important, but examination point of view, some proofs are only important. Okay. Thank you.